Welcome back to Baba Baby! Let's have some fun learning together today!
Letter A, astronaut, ambulance, alligator. Letter B, bulldozer, butterfly, buffalo. Letter C, caterpillar, castle, camel. Letter D, dinosaur, donut, dolphin. Letter E, elephant, engine, and velo. Letter F, fire truck, flamingo, forest. Letter G, gorilla, eats our galaxy. Letter H, helicopter, hippo, hedgehog. Letter E, iguana, insect, igloo. Letter J, jellyfish, jaguar, jeep. Letter K, kangaroo, kiwi, koala. Letter L, lollipop, lighthouse, leopard. Letter M, monster, mushroom, magnet. Letter N, narwhal, ninja, noodles. Letter O, ostrich, octopus, olive. Letter P, penguin, pirate, piano. Letter Q, quokka, queen, quilt. Letter R, robots, rocket, rainbow. Letter S, submarine, spider, scooter. Letter T, tiger, tractor, turtle. Letter U, umbrella, unicorn, umpire. Letter V, volcano, violin, vulture. Letter W, walrus, waffle, wizard. Letter X, X-ray, xylophone, Xmas tree. Letter Y, yakio, yogurt. Letter Z, zebra, zipper, zucchini. A is for ant, A is for ox, B is for bear, B is for bag, b. C is for car, C is for cup, coo. D is for duck, D is for door, da. E is for elbow, E is for engine, A. F is for fan, F is for fox, G is for garden, G is for gate, goo. H is for house, H is for hippo, I is for insect, I is for igloo, E. J is for jam, J is for jelly, K is for key, K is for kangaroo, coo. L is for lemon, L is for lamp, how. L is for mat, L is for leg, L is for net, L is for nose, O is for octopus, O is for ostrich, O. P is for pen, P is for pot, Q is for quilt, Q is for quiz, R is for ring, R is for road, S is for snake, S is for stars, T is for tent, T is for toad, U is for uncle, U is for butt, V is for raise, V is for violin, V. V, V. W is for wall, W is for web. Ooh, ooh, ooh. X is for X-ray, X is for Xmas, case, case, case. Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yogurt, yeah, yeah, yeah. Z is for zip, Z is for zoo, s, s, s. Aunt, ox said arrow, B says ba, bear, bed, bus, C says cup, car cake, D says da, drum, doll, duck. U says egg, elbow, engine, F says foo, fan, fox, frog, G says goo, cake, girl, gift, H says hen, house, hen. Learning sounds is fun to see. Sing the letters along with me. I says ink, insect, in J says jet, jug, jam, K says key, king, kite, L says log, lump, leg. M says map, mat, moon, M says mat, nut, 9, O says O, ox, owl, on P says pen, pot, pig. Learning sounds is fun to see. Sing the letters along with me. Q says queen, quilt, quiz, R says rat, rug, red, S says is, sun, sock, 6, T says top, tub, 10. U says up, uncle, under, V says van, vest, vec, W says wow, web, wig, wall, X says case, box, fox, wax. U says yak, yam, yo, Z says zip, zoo, zigzag, A, B, C is fun for you and me. D says duffel, B, bird and bus. C says cave, cat, cup and cake. D says D for dog, duck, desk and drum. E says A for egg, elephant and engine. F says F for fish, frog, flag and flower. G says G for goat, goose, grape and gum. H says H for hat, house, horse and hand. I says I for igloo, ink and an insect. J says J for jar, jet, jelly and jump. K says K for kite, key, king and kettle. L says L for lion, lamp, leaf and log. M says N for monkey, moon, map and milk. N says N for nest, nose, net and nail. O says O for octopus, orange and on. P says P for pig, pen, pot and popcorn. Q says quack for queen, quilt and quack. R says O for rabbit, rat, ring and rainbow. S says is for sun, star, snake and spider. T says T for tree, tiger, table and train. U says U for umbrella, up and under. V says V for van, vest and violin. W says whip for watermelon, watch and window. X says keeks for box, fox and axe. Y says yo for yellow, yak and yo-yo. Z says Z for zebra, so and zipper. Now we know the sounds of the ABCs. Crawl, crawl, crawl to the big bright gate. Open it up, we can hardly wait. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. Welcome baby to the ABC Zoo. A is for alligator, gator snapping his jaws. B is for bear with fuzzy big paws. C is for camel with a bump on his back. D is for deer walking on the track. E is for elephant, nose so long. F is for fox singing a song. G is for giraffe reaching the sky. H is for hippo saying hi. Oh, it's magic, the ABC Zoo. So many animals waiting for you. Clap your hands and look around. Best adventure we have found. I is for iguana sitting in the sun. J is for jaguar ready to run. K is for koala climbing a tree. L is for lion roaring at me. M is for monkey swinging so high. N is for narwhal swimming nearby. O is for otter splashing in the pool. P is for penguin looking so cool. Q is for quail, quiet and sweet. R is for rhino stomping his feet. S is for seal spinning a ball. T is for tiger standing tall. Tempo speeds up again. U is for unicorn magical and white. V is for vulture taking a flight. W is for wolf howling at the moon. X is for x-ray fish swimming to the tune. Y is for yak with fur so deep. Z is for zebra, now it's time to sleep. The gate is closing, wave goodbye. ABC Zoo, under the sky.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P Q, R, S, T, U, V W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?